What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 60 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 60 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. You put $100 in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $2,000 in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 25 free stocks. If you put $5,000 in your new Moomoo brokerage account, they're going to give you 60 free stocks. Down to the description box, first link, click on that Moomoo link. Go open up that Moomoo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I will also send you a couple of Moomoo tutorial videos that will walk you through how to use the Moomoo brokerage app. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened the Moomoo account. Let me know you funded it, and I'm going to send you out those tutorial videos. Well, guys, we've had 3 days of a little baby rally. But that seems to be changing today. Let me read the headline to you. Stocks slide after a 3-day winning streak as trade worries linger. Stocks slipped on Friday following a 3-day winning streak on Wall Street as investors weigh earnings from a major tech company and lingering trade fears. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slid 203 points or 0.5%. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ Composite both fell 0.3%. Alphabet jumped 2% after the Google parent and Magnificent Seven name reported a beat on top and bottom line for the first quarter. By contrast, Intel fell 8% after offering disappointing guidance and revealing that it plans to slash operational and capital expenses. Sentiment was hurt a bit Friday after comments from 47 were published by Time magazine. 47 said he would consider it a total victory if the U.S. has high tariffs of 20% to 50% on foreign countries a year from now. 47 also denied that rising yields forced his hand in granting a 90-day pause on most of the higher tariff rates. To be sure, 47 also said announcements of many trade deals would be coming over the next 3 to 4 weeks. The bond market was getting the yips, but I wasn't, said 47 in the interview from Tuesday that was published Friday. The moves come after what has been a solid weekly performance for the market. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ are up 3.8% and 5.4% this week, respectively. The Dow has climbed 2%. But stocks have been in a wide trading range following the initial shock of 47's reciprocal tariff announcement on April 2nd, Liberation Day. As investors await clarity on negotiations with key trading partners such as China. That country revealed Thursday that there were no ongoing discussions on tariffs. Now, 47 is saying they're talking every day. But then China comes out and says, no, we're not talking every day. We haven't even talked to the United States. That followed the White House signaling earlier this week that it may ease its stance on China tariffs, which sit at a total of 145% on imports from the country. On Tuesday, 47 said that the tariff rate will come down substantially, but it won't be zero. So again, guys, you have the flip-flop, right? You got 145% tariffs on China, and then a day later, 2 days later, They won't be 145%. We're going to pull them back. They'll be substantially lower, but they won't be zero, which is what? Adding more uncertainty to the stock market. Why? Because China is our biggest trading partner. China is saying, no, we haven't had no talks with America. 47 is saying, we're talking to them every day. Who do you believe, right? That is going to affect our stock market, guys. And you can see anytime he goes hard on tariffs, like in this Time magazine interview he did, oh, we're going to go, it's a win if we can be 20 to 50% higher on tariffs a year from now. See, the market don't like that because everybody already knows, guys, tariffs is not a good thing. It's not. It's not a win-win, right? Because most of these countries now are getting to the point where they're saying to themselves, yeah, the U.S. market is important, but it's not more important than our market. So let's figure out we can partner with other countries and do other things and kind of stop this dependence on the U.S. consumer market. That's what countries are doing now. They're starting to partner with each other. You got Japan saying, let's go to the EU and let's sell our electric vehicles to the EU. The EU, Germany, is saying, hey, our BMWs, our Mercedes, our Audis, our Porsches, let's see if we can redirect those somewhere else. Maybe Japan, maybe Australia, and reduce our dependence on the United States consumer. See, guys, once these countries figure out that they can do that, we're toast. We're toast. Because we import, guys, more than we export. And there's a reason for that. It's too expensive to make stuff here in America. Right? So you got to figure out what you want to do on this situation. I know what I'm doing. I told y'all yesterday on my short-term portfolio, I went all to cash. I sold out, went all the cash because, this thing is a little touch and go, man. I don't know who to believe, right? Here's a new strategy going forward for the short-term portfolio. I'm going to go ahead and just buy when the deep dip hits. And it's going to hit, right? You can already see that starting today because he's starting to talk about tariffs again and how high he wants these tariffs. See, anytime 47 goes to talking about these tariffs, the stock market goes down. So that's what I'm going to wait on. I'm going to wait on the dip. It's starting today. Next week sometime it will dip. And then that's when I'll take my reserve cash and I'll go buy my favorite companies. And then I'll wait for him to roll it back, which he will. And then it'll go up again. And that's when I'll sell. That's the short-term portfolio. The long-term portfolio, I'm going to stay doing the same thing. Dollar cost average in, no matter if the market's up, down, sideways. Because I got another 9 to 10 years for that money to compound and develop itself into the nest egg. But on the short-term money, the reserve money, that's the strategy going forward. It's pretty simple. When he starts talking about tariffs, escalating tariffs, the stock market will crash, little mini crash. When it crashes, that's when I'll buy. And then when he rolls back all this talk about these tariffs, he'll roll it back in a day or two. Stock market will rebound slightly. I'll sell. And I'll just keep doing that. Dip, buy, rally, sell. Dip, buy, rally, sell until this thing is over, which it probably won't be over till he leaves office. That's just my opinion. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about this on and off stuff, man. And what's your strategy to take advantage of it? I just gave you mine. I'm going to take advantage of this hot one day, cold the next day attitude from 47 and just continue to build my wealth that way. If you want up to 60 free stocks, Moo is going to give you up to 60 free stocks when you open a new Moo brokerage account. You put $100 in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. You put $2,000 in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 25 free stocks. If you put $5,000 in your new Moo brokerage account, they're going to give you 60 free stocks. Down to the description box, first link, click on that Moo link. Go open up that Moo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box is the website address. Go click on it, guys. Go check out the digital products. Thousands of you guys have, and you've taken advantage of those digital products to increase your financial literacy. Listen, man, if you want to get yourself through This hot and cold roller coaster ride, this volatility we got going on in our stock market, you better get you some financial literacy, and my digital products will help you do that. So check them out. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We have over 1,900 wealth builders in our financial community, headed to 2,000. And all we do in there is help each other through golden nuggets, tips, best practices, what's working, what's not working. We provide a safe haven. Nobody trying to sell you nothing. Nobody trying to do anything to you in there other than give you opportunity to ask questions and build wealth, to help you build wealth. So if you want to be a part of that, click on that join button, that membership button in the website. It'll take you over to Patreon. Sign up, guys. Come join us. We'd love to have you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.